So on the older generation, we always suggest you to set the temperature below 83 to 84 Fahrenheit degrees. Because on the older generation, we always face a big challenge to say it's hard to achieve a higher humidity under higher temperature. But now, on the newer generation, it's all solved. So, like now, I'm setting this machine to 100.4 Fahrenheit degrees, which is the maximum. And now, go back to the humidity setting, go up to 85 degrees relative humidity as the highest level. Okay, stop there. So back to this machine, you can see both the external and the internal humidification are working properly. So these two systems are going to help significantly bring up the internal humidity quickly. So now when we shut down the door, in about 2 or 3 minutes, the relative humidity are going to increase from 66, which is the almost ambient humidity, to about 85, which we just set. 4. Wow, it's pretty quick. 777. All right, it's beyond 80. Hit 1, 2. So once it's going to reach the desired level, it's going to slow down the output of the fog. Now it's over. So you can see the humidity light is going out. Before it's reaching the desired level, it's lighter on, showing it's working properly. Now it's light out. So 88 degrees is stopped. So now the temperature is keeping increasing from about 85 to 100.4, which we just set. Okay.